Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And today in this session number 4 of chapter number 5, that is vectors and multiples, we are going to start with a new topic, that is divisibility. But before that, let us revise that what we have learned in our previous session. Okay, so in our previous session we have learned multiples, right? Factors we have already learned and we have recalled many times. That is when you are multiplying a digit and the product which you get by multiplying those two digits, then those two digits are your factors, right? Now what are the multiples? Multiples means, okay, the table you are writing, the product which you get, the answers, so the answers are the multiples of that number. If you are writing a table of 8, then if I ask you what are the multiples of 8, so the 8 na table na the answers che, they are the multiples of 8. Okay, so this was all about multiples, and some of the facts which you need to know about multiples are: every number is a multiple of 1. Then every number is a multiple of itself, કે બધા number પોતાનો multiple તો હોય જ. Then afterwards, a number cannot have a multiple which is less than that number. કે જે number નું multiple find કરે છે એનાથી નાનો multiple હોઈ શકે નહીં. So these are the facts which you need to keep in your mind, and now we are going to start with divisibility. Now we are going to start with divisibility. So what is divisibility? Divisibility, a number is divisible by another number if after dividing the first number by the second, the remainder is 0. Means here what it is saying, a number is divisible by another number, કે એવો number કે જે બીજા number સાથે divide થાય if after dividing the first, but divide થાય, okay, આપણે divide કરી, but at last a number first number ને second number સાથે divide કર્યા પછી the remainder છે 0 હોવું જોઈએ. If it is 0, then it is you can say it is divisible by this number. If जो remainder बचे છે, then that number is not divisible by the other number. Okay, so divisibility means a number is divisible by another number if after dividing the first number by the second, the remainder is 0. जो remainder 0 આવે તો જ એ divisible છે, otherwise એ divisible છે નહીં. Now there are rules to find a quicker way that whether it હવે એમાં rules કે આપણે you can also say it as a divisibility test, કે ઈ જો તમને આઈડિયા હોય ને તો તમે લોકો easily identify કરી શકો કે whether આ number આની સાથે divisible છે કે નહીં, right? So એના માટે જે હું rules લગાવું છું, what you are supposed to say that is known as divisibility test, કે એને divisibility test કહેવામાં આવે છે. So now let us see that divisibility test. Okay, so divisibility test, in that we are going to learn 3 divisibility tests, 2, 5 and 10. જે બી નંબર આપણે 2 સાથે કોઈ બી નંબર ડિવાઈડ કરીએ 5 સાથે or 10 સાથે એની ડિવિઝિબિલિટી ટેસ્ટ આપણે બેઝિકમાં સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ છીએ. સો a divisibility test first of all છે શું એના રિલેટેડ આપણે થોડું લર્ન કરીએ. A divisibility test is a rule, એક એવો રૂલ છે which gives a quick way, આપણને એક ફાસ્ટ વે આપણને આપે છે to find whether a number is divisible by another. મેં તમને કીધું કે એ આપણને થોડું ફાસ્ટલી આપણને કહી શકે કે આ નંબર આની સાથે divisible છે કે નહીં, to find, which gives a quicker way to find whether this number is divisible by another or not. Okay, so a number divisible by 2, right? Then the rule is if the number is even, then that is the digit in the ones place is 2. If jo number even hoye che, right, here you can see if the number is even, that is the digit in the ones place, that is the digit in the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. કે જો નંબર ઇવન નંબર છે અને ડિજિટ વન્સ પ્લેસ ની વન્સ પ્લેસ પર જો આ કોઈ નંબર આવે 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 આમાંથી કોઈ બી નંબર આવે તો એ નંબર 2 સાથે ડિવિઝિબલ છે. For example 3, 6, 8. So 3, 6, 8 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, because ones ni place per 8 hai. Then 3, 6, 7. Then this number is divisible by this or not? Because here it is 7 and here 7 to change nahi. So this number is not divisible by 2. So our number 2 સાથે divisible છે નહીં. If ones ni place per આ digit hoy, then and then only that number is divisible by 2. Otherwise it is not divisible by 2. Okay? Now the next is 5. If the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5, if the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5. 5 કોઈ બી નંબર સાથે ડિવિઝિબલ છે કેમ આઈડિયા આવે કે ones ની પ્લેસ પર 0 या 5 હોય તો જ ઈ ડિજિટ 5 સાથે ડિવિઝિબલ છે, અધરવાઇઝ નહીં. ઓકે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 555. This digit is divisible by 5 because અહીંયા ones ની પ્લેસ પર at last 5 આવ્યું છે. Then after 30 because અહીંયા ones ની place પર 0 છે. So 0 or 5 હોય ones ની place પર, then and then only the 5 is divisible. Okay, that number is divisible by 5. Otherwise it is not divisible by 5. So you need to keep these points in your mind. Then after the last one, that is 10. If the digit in the ones place is 0, if the digit in the ones place is 0, 10 સાથે કોઈ બી નંબર ક્યારે ડિવિઝિબલ હોય? When the digit at the ones place કે જ્યારે ones ની place પર જે digit છે that is 0. If it is 0, then and then only that number is divisible by 10. આપણે 2 સાથે divisible છે કે નહીં find કરવું હોય તો then you have to see this number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For 5, 0 and 5, and for 10 only 0. Now this is your divisibility test. Okay, so now if you want to copy it down in your book, then you can copy it down, pause the video and copy it down in your book. Okay, Okay, so I hope that you have copied down in your book and તમને લોકોને આ divisibility test શું છે એનો થોડો આઈડિયા આવી ગયો હશે, right? Now we are going to see another thing now, okay? That is our exercise. Now we are moving forward to our exercise part. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so our exercise number 5.3. In that, our question number 1, exercise 5.3. In that, question number 1 is write the numbers that are divisible by 2. Write the numbers that are divisible by 2. So we are supposed to put a tick mark. Now the numbers which we have 2, 3, 6, 6, 7, 7, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 3, 0, 4, 0, 7, 3, 0, 2, 5. So these are your numbers, right? Now we have to identify. We know that 2 સાથે divisible છે કે નહીં, એના માટે ones ની place પર આપણે કયા digit હોવા જોઈએ? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So here 2, 3, 6. So here it is 6. So yes, 236 is divisible by 2. So put it in. Then 6, 7, 7, 1. 1. So no, this number is not divisible by 2. 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. So this number is also not divisible by 2. Then 5, 3, 0. Here it is 0. So yes, 0 is divisible by 2. So 530 is divisible by 2. 407. So here it is 7. So 407 is not divisible by 2. 3025. Here it is 5. So we want 0, 2, 4 and 6 and 8. So here it is 5. So 3025 is also not divisible by 2. Only these two numbers are divisible by 2. Now the next question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? આમાંથી કયા numbers 5 સાથે divisible છે? So let me give you the numbers. 1090, 6034, 875, 276, 885, 1228, 885, 1228. Right? Now, for divisible by 5, तो આપણે કયા numbers mind માં રાખવાના? 0 and 5. જો ones ની place પર 0 or else 5 હોય તો એ number 5 સાથે divisible છે. So here in this number at the ones place we have 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 5, 1090. Here at the ones place it is 4. So no, it is not divisible by 5. 875. So here at the ones place we have 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. 276. Here it is 6. So it is not divisible by 5. Then 885. So here it is 5. So 5 again, yes, it is divisible by 5. 885. And 1228. Here it is 8. So no, this number is not divisible by 5. From this, only 3 numbers which we have that are divisible by 5. So in this way, you are supposed to identify. You can easily identify if you remember the divisibility test. Okay? So this was all about 2 questions. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3. Write the numbers between 456. Write the numbers between 456 and 522 that are divisible by 10. તમારે 456 થી લઈને 522 આ બે નંબરની વચ્ચે જેટલા 10 થી ડિવિઝિબલ થતા હોય એટલા નંબર્સ નોટ ડાઉન કરવાના છે. સો ડિવિઝિબલ બાય 10 કયા નંબર હોય કે જે વન્સ ની પ્લેસ પર 0 આવે એ જ નંબર 10 સાથે ડિવિઝિબલ હોય. સો 456 છે તો 460, then 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 520, પછી 21 and 22 આવી જશે. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 10 between these two numbers. સમજાણો કે આ બંને નંબરની વચ્ચે તમારે હવે 0 જે વન્સ ની પ્લેસ પર આવતા હોય એવા ડિજિટ્સ લખવાના, પણ આ બંને નંબરની વચ્ચેના ડિજિટ્સ છે that are divisible by 10. Okay, so this is all about question number 3. Now question number 4. So now the boxes in the numbers given below should be filled with a digit. So what you are supposed to do here, you are given number 1 or you can say A. Now 345 box is divisible by 2. હવે આ 345 છે divisible by 2 છે? No, because here it is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Then put a cross sign and write 2 is divisible when we have the numbers. કયા કયા નંબર હોય? જ્યારે 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 આ numbers હોય ત્યારે it is divisible by 2. તો for your understanding આની નીચે તમે આ numbers લખી લ્યો એટલે તમને આઈડિયા આવે કે આ નંબર નથી અહીંયા એટલા માટે આ divisible by 2 છે નહીં. Then afterward B. 649 is divisible by 5. No, because here it is 9, so it is not divisible by 5 because we don't have 0 and 5. That's why. So for our better understanding, we have written down 0 and 5. Now 10th you can do it by yourself. See that 785 is divisible by 10. No, because once ni place for the 5 che and we want 0 to get divisible by 10. So there also we will put a cross and write 0 down. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to solve these both equations. Now question number 5. Now question number 5, that is a roll of cloth measures a roll of cloth measures 175 meter. Can it be cut into equal number of pieces each measuring 5 meter without any length of cloth left over. Okay, so what does this question mean? First of all, let us understand. A roll of cloth, એટલે કે કાપડનો રોલ છે, એનું મેજર કેટલું છે? 175 મીટર છે. Now, can it be cut into equal number of pieces? કે આપણે એક સરખા એના કટકા કરી શકશી? Each measuring 5 meter. જો બધાનું મેજર આપણે 5 મીટર રાખી તો આપણને બધા ઇક્વલ પીસીસ થઈ જશે without any length of cloth left over. કે લાસ્ટમાં એકેય જાતનો નાનો એવો કટકો બચવો જોઈએ નહીં. તો 5 છે, આલે આપણે ડિવિઝન કરવાનું. તો 5 is divisible by 175. Yes, it is divisible by 175 because અહીંયા ones ની પ્લેસ પર 5 છે, right? So આપણે તો ઈ જોઈએ છે 5 and 0 હોય તો ઈ divisible by 5, તો અહીંયા તો 5 છે. So yes, so your answer is yes. So you are supposed to write only yes. It can be cut into equal number of pieces without any length of cloth left over. Yes, it can be cut into equal number of pieces without any length of cloth left over. So this you are supposed to write. Your answer is this: yes, it can be cut into equal number of pieces without any length of cloth left over. Okay? Now let us see the next one. Question number 6. Rakesh has 78 marbles. Rakesh has 78 marbles. Can we share the marbles equally? Can we share the marbles equally with his brother? Okay, so અહીંયા એના રાકેશ has 78 marbles કે રાકેશ પાસે 78 marbles છે. Now can he share the marbles equally with his brother? ઈ એના ભાઈ સાથે, એક જ ભાઈ સાથે ઈ equally marble share કરે. તો અહીંયા કેટલા percent થઈ ગયા? 2. So we have to divide this number with 2. So it is divisible by 2. આપણે equally share કરી શકી. તો એ ones ની પ્લેસ પર કયો ડિજિટ છે? 8. So 2 સાથે divisible છે કે નહીં એના માટે કયા નંબર્સ જોઈએ? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. તો 8 તો છે. So yes, the marbles is equally shared with his brother. Yes, he will share the marbles equally with his brother. Okay, so this is all about this question. Now I hope that you have understood this exercise well. Okay, so today we have learned about divisibility, the definition, whether it is divisible or not, then divisibility test of 2, 5 and 10 ni apne divisibility test learn kari, right? Then afterwards, what we have learned, that is कि 2 સાથે divisibility test માં કયા આવે numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 5, 0 and 5, and for 10, 0. So in this way you are supposed to solve, and we have also solved the exercise. So this is all today's session. So I hope that you have understood this and you will solve it much better. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.